So at Murray, which is the very start of the Oodnadatta track, given myself 3 days for this. I don't know how long it'll take. I'm just going to kind of wing it, but if it takes a week, it takes a week. If it takes a day, it takes a day. But one thing worth keeping in mind is looking at the radar. It's currently Wednesday. It's currently Wednesday. On Saturday, there's 3 days of rain predicted. So there's 40 mil of rain, 20 mil of rain, and then 5 mil, I think. And it's like 90% chance every day. So I don't really want to end up on the Oodnadatta track if we get that much rain. So kind of thinking by Saturday, I need to be at the other end of it. Need to be at Oodnadatta by Saturday. And then we'll cross that bridge there with what I'll do with the weather, I suppose. Plan initially is to head west, so I want to keep going through that Great Central Road, through Laverton and then to Kalgoorlie. But I don't know if that road will be passable if we get, 65 mil of rain. So it'll just be I don't know, we'll just play that one by ear. One thing at a time. We'll get to Oodnadatta. If I get stuck at Oodnadatta for a few days, well, that's not going to be a bad thing. That place looks pretty cool. It's got a good pub, so I'll have plenty of good food and cold beer, so wouldn't be the worst thing that happened. Anyway, Oodnadatta track, here we go. Here's called the Bubbler. Look how green it is compared to how arid that is. This is so this is it from the top, but it doesn't really do it justice without sunnies. Let's see if I can get this to work. So you can see there where it's bubbling up. Unfortunately, I don't think even holding the sunnies over do it justice. Wearing my sunnies, I can see where that water's bubbling out, and I can actually see the mud like pushing up through it. And I can see the bank all through this area. I can see the bank super clear, but just can't seem to pick it up with the sunnies, unfortunately. First glimpse of it that I've just got. So this is where you register. Just fill in the envelope and throw it in there with your money. Just set up camp at Coward Springs. There. Just set up camp, Coward Springs. So now we'll go for a bit of a look around, and I really want to see this boar. I'm assuming it's not really big, so I'm assuming that like the Savo, through sunset it's going to be packed. Not many of these people are going to get up at 4 o'clock to get in there in the dark. Sunrise from the bore. So Coward Springs has got its own little museum, so we're just in that now, having a bit of a look around. This place is in really good condition for how old it'd be. Heaps of history to it. It's very interesting. Cool little spot. Very interesting read. Definitely worth a look. I'll also add there was no flies in there. Much, much nicer than here. So, welcome to Coward Springs. So, as you guys can see, this place is absolutely awesome. Really, really nice. There's a cracking sunset about to happen just behind the camera, so I want to shoot this and then spin the camera around and get this time lapse. But look, amazing spot. This place rocks, eh? It's really, really good. Yeah, look, thanks for following with us today. I'll flip this camera around, shoot this bloody flies. I'll flip this camera around, shoot this sunset, and yeah, see you tomorrow. How is this, eh? Coward Springs. It's beautiful and warm in here. It's just a little bit chilly outside, which just makes this so much better. Floating in this artesian bore, watching the sun come up. Does it get any better? How good is this? Little artesian bore in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Magic.